Okay, just a little something different for you folks. What I'm doing is I'm actually making a throttle lever, well not a throttle lever, a choke lever for my lawnmower. I'm replacing this little plastic thing that's broken. Yeah, I'm going to make one out of aluminium. Got my lump of aluminium. I know how big everything it needs to be, so we'll just make the slider, and away we go. Oh, just in case anyone asks, there's no music running in the background. I don't have music in my workshop, so if you hear anything that sounds like music, it's purely a figment of your imagination. Okay, quick change of tooling, and now spot a parting off. There we are, that's that bit parted off. Now we've just got to rearrange things and clean that up. So right, now we've parted that off, we can do the next bit, get it to the right thickness. A little bit too thick at the moment because my little preset gauge won't go on there, so we'll there's still no music in the workshop, so if you're hearing anything other than my voice, then you need to go and see a doctor. on. Good. Now to change configuration and get it to the right diameter. Okay, so we've now got it held in a mandrel, and I'm going to turn it down to the right diameter. It needs to be 58.6, and we're still at about almost 70, so we'll just carry on. Okay, and here we are. It's the right size now. That is 58.66, which is spot on. So, next job is reconfigure the chuck again and bore out the centre hole a bit more. Now we need to make the hole a bit bigger, so it needs to be about 15.1, 15.2 millimeters. So we're going to do this in stages. We've all got a fair sized hole. So I'm going to whip a 10 mil, is it a 10, 12, anyway, tool through there, and that should get a little bit of lube to go in with. Whip that in there, and then we'll whip a 15 in. That should do the job nicely then. Just clean it up with the boring bar. Right, now we have a 15mm hole. Now to make it just a tad bigger. Right, well, we've got the boring tool on now, and I've just checked the hole, and it's just under 15, and I've just checked what it needs to be, and it needs to be 15.5. So we've not got much to take off, and it won't take long. Okay, well, there it is, finished. There's a finished item. That's what it's going into, and it fits a treat lock. That does. All I've got to do now is drill a hole, tap it, and put in a little handle for the lead, or something that's going to make a little lever. And that job done, and then my lawnmower will be tickety boo. And then I get back to the real fun job of cutting the grass. Right, bye for now.